Cape Cod, the South Shore, the South Coast expected to be hit the hardest in Monday's storm. WBZ's Logan Hall is in Scituate tonight. And Logan, I know people there are getting ready for this.
Yeah, that's right. We've seen rain, we've seen sleet, we've seen, of course, a little bit of snow. And right now we've got that wintry mix. And of course, it's nothing in comparison to what we're expecting to see here in the next coming days. It could be another major winter storm, and it's something that folks here in Scituate are gearing up for.
Got the firewood for the fireplace. There's nothing that we can't handle. It's a lot of fun.
For Scituate residents like Ann Hallowen, another storm is nothing new.
Well, I'm ready to go. I have my shovels ready. I have that calcium chloride on the ice dams on the roof. I've got the snowblower maintained. Everything is ready. I've got a plow guy.
She's all geared up for a major storm in the coming days. A coastal flood watch is in effect from Monday evening through Tuesday morning for eastern Massachusetts coast, including Cape Cod.
You're more worried about the wind and the water than the snow and stuff like that.
Michael McKittrick works at Watson Family Hardware near the harbor, an area known to flood.
Since I've been around, we haven't got water into the store, but it's come close, but not around here. I mean, everything around gets water. It's just the way the harbor is.
He says with the amount of snow and ice we've seen this winter, it's hard to keep ice melt on his shelves.
Yeah, it's just way too much demand for the product. I mean, shovels they make year round and stuff like that, but it's tough keeping up with the demand.
So we're going to be updating those models and bringing you guys the very latest on how hard this winter storm is going to hit this community. Reporting live in Scituate, I'm Logan Hall, WBZ News.
Thanks, Logan. Stay with WBZ and our next weather alert team through the weekend. As this forecast comes into focus, they'll be bringing you updates on WBZ TV, streaming on CBS News Boston, and on our website, WBZ.com.